In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create different reports in Jotform. This is useful when you want to visualize, organize, or export your form submission data. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace, then select My Forms. Find the form you want to create a report for and select it. Click More, then choose Create Report. You'll see several report types, including Visual Report, Excel Report, CSV Report, Grid Listing, and HTML Table. Choose the format that best fits your needs. Enter a name for your report, then select a report style such as blank, extended report, or compact report. Once you're ready, click Create. After your report is created, click Add Element to add charts, tables, or specific form fields. Drag and drop the elements you want into your report. To customize an element, click it and then select the gear icon. From the Settings panel, you can adjust options such as data sources, labels, colors, and formatting. Once you're happy with your report, click Preview to review how it looks. When everything is ready, click Publish. You can also open settings to customize who can access and view your report. That's how to create different reports in Jotform. Thanks for watching.